So, welcome to Morrocco Method, where natural things happen. I'm Anthony Morrocco, founder, creator of the most natural hair care line in the world. So today we're basically addressing World Cancer Day. And most of you that know us know that we are really an educational system. We have hundreds of videos. Just go to YouTube, MorroccoMethod.com, search anything and everything. And we have videos on how to use our products, why to use our products, and all the natural different ways of healing, healthy ways of being. So I started off in the 1960s in New York City. I was a master hair colorist at Kenneth's, the most famous salon in the world. And we had the most famous and the richest actors and actresses globally came into us. I was there for 4 years. And I started realizing, even in my early 20s, that the fumes were getting very toxic. And I was starting to notice hair loss then. But when I realized that this really is cancer causing, all of this bleaching, dyeing, I could not go along with this any longer. I walked out of a multi-million-dollar career and I vowed that I was going to create an all-natural hair care line and educate anyone and everyone who was willing to be really healthy, happy, and strong. My attitude is, let's make it happen. There's thousands of different types of cancers. It's not just black and white, and it goes all over the spectrum. So we want our diet, exercise, mental, emotional. So I teach Qigong. So we'll teach like physically healthy, emotionally healthy, intellectually healthy, and energetically healthy. And then, of course, the fifth is a divine, which in Qigong is the unknown, the mystery. So here we have the known, chemicals. I've been noticing the young especially have tremendous hair loss and hair thinning, and it's all coming from chemicals, especially styling products. Today, we have Blood of the Dragon styling gel. This is 100% all natural. Blood of the Dragon is a tree that grows in South America, and the sap is red. So the name is Sangre de Dragon. And since we're the year of the dragon, we might as well bring that in. So we have aloe vera plus all types of marine botanicals, apple cider vinegar to the rescue. For those of you who really want something stronger, we have 24/7 styling dragon pomade. And this will really get your hair to stand up wherever you want it. All types of ingredients in both of the products, marine proteins, vitamins, and then we have Zen Detox, which has been used for thousands of years. It goes into history way back. So our Zen Detox basically is coming from volcanic clays from Europe, mostly Italian, German volcanic clays. You mix it, hydrate it. Basically, I massage it into my hair, scalp, forehead, face, neck. If you're bleaching or dyeing your hair and you're realizing how carcinogenic all that bleach is, all of it. So this Zen Detox will really help pull a lot of that stuff out of your scalp. So cancer is not really something that's even acceptable. So whatever we can do to be healthy, happy, and strong, it should be our responsibility, not only to ourselves, but our family, our friends. So let's make it happen, get all that toxic out. So we have henna to the rescue. We have 7 shades of henna, 100% natural plant from India. We don't do any additives, no chemicals into it. So I really want to educate us just a little bit on chemicals. So the styling products contain polymers. What are they? Simply liquid plastic, petroleum. It basically goes, the gases go down into the growth pattern, into our scalp, into our roots. Very deadly. Do you realize that you're literally suffocating? Your scalp can't breathe day in and day out. Eventually, months, years, your immune systems are going to collapse and you're going to start losing hair. There's so many different chemicals made in the laboratory, ingredients in our hair care, skin care, dental care. I highly recommend everyone to read your ingredients list, get educated. Morrocco method is an educational system. Search any ingredient product you want. It should pop up to show you naturally how to use our products, why to use them, what to avoid. Just go to the ingredients, Google it, see what it is. If you can't pronounce it, guaranteed chemical made in the laboratory. We have all the answers to going natural, staying healthy, happy, and most of all, strong. It shouldn't only be Cancer Awareness Day, it should be year. Every day should be awareness to stay healthy. All right, if you have any really serious questions, send them to me through MorroccoMethod.com. We do questions and answers. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you all have. Healthy, happy, strong. Thank you, thank you, thank you for going 100% all natural hair care.